ages since I've spoken to you guys, so we're just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna be doing a review of a product called the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is my new best friend. It's so good. I really like this, and you can buy it at Dischem or Clicks for 130 Rand. Just want to show you guys. I'm going to do the deep conditioner with a shower cap, and we're just going to go through that whole process, and then I'll let you know my thoughts on this product. First things first, let's look at my hair. Let's place no judgment. It's been a week of not really caring about my hair, as you can see. Woo. Let's just show you guys the poof that's happening. My hair, I will say this, I didn't put any sort of effort into my hair this week. I'm going to jump into the shower, wash my hair, condition it, comb through it, and then I'm going to apply this on camera and show you guys how I deep condition and let you know my thoughts on it. So yeah, just have one more look at what's happening here. Oh my goodness, it's terrible. Let's sort this out. So I've just gotten out the shower, and I usually do this in the shower because I don't see the point of getting out and doing it like that. So, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys what I do to deep condition my hair. I'm actually going to show you guys how long my hair is. Can you see how long it is I think I cut it here last year, so it's grown quite a bit. This is, look at that, so nice. So this is what I do to deep condition my hair. Take some of this, like a little bit, not really a little bit, but you know, it looks like little poop, like bird poop. Rub it between my hands, and then I just work it through like this in my hair. On the one side, they say use a generous amount, and I'm very generous with it. I do have a towel underneath my feet, so it's not falling onto the floor. I'm going to take a little bit more to put on the other side, just a little bit, literally that much. Same sort of situation. I don't put it on my roots, but I am going close to my roots, and then I put a little bit at the back there because it gets really dry at the back. I think everybody has a kind of like a dry spot. Your hair should feel like oversaturated, and there's a bunch of product in it. And then I take my Tangle Teaser. You can buy this on Superbalist or get it at Dischem or Clicks, I think. No, just Dischem. I don't think Clicks sells Tangle Teasers. So then, and you just, I comb through my hair to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Let's do that. Comb through it. I only part my hair into 2 sections. You can do more sections for yourself. I just do 2 sections. Once I have combed through it, I do try and take out some water because it kind of starts like dripping. So I just do like a little bit of a squeeze for the product out, and then I divide it, and then I just wrap it away from my face. Do like a twist, like that. What I do is I have 2 clips here. So take the one clip, and I'm going to turn around to show you guys. So I do it like this. I do an extra sort of like a wiggle, and I just clip my hair on the one side. I'm going to do the other thing. Sorry. And then when I clip the other side, I take both of them. And like that. Because this is only clipped on the one side, I just include both of them in it. And that it is secure. Any of the others are stick out, it's fine. That's what it looks like. And then they say on the instructions to put a shower cap on. You guys have already seen my shower cap in my previous video. So then I just put the shower cap onto my head, And if you can add heat to it, I don't really want to add heat to it. So you can add heat to it and then keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I will, or if not, you can keep it underneath here for 30 minutes. I will just be doing the 30 minutes. And then I will rinse it out in the shower. You need to rinse it out thoroughly in the shower, and then I'm gonna style it and show you what my hair looks like afterwards. Hi, so I wanted to show you my curls. These are completely dried. You can see some of the curls there forming, and on the side here, there's a lot of curls forming and it looks really nice. We went out for supper, and I've already wiped off one side of my makeup, and the other one's still chilling there. Just had something in my eye. But these are my curls, and this is what they look like, and it looks really nourished and it's very cute. I might be a little flat when I wake up tomorrow morning, but generally I'm really happier with my curls. Yeah, thanks for watching.